Welcome to Autoworld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing probably one of the most underappreciated body styles of Mustangs, in my opinion. A big nose, 1973 Ford Mach 1, finished in medium blue, metallic, and is absolutely amazing. And so we'll go over a couple minutes here to see exactly what this lovely lady has to offer, and then you can decide whether you can imagine her in your driveway. So on the outside, this might just appear to be a normal Mustang, but upon close inspection you'll see that she has quite a bit to offer, and provenance to die for. So we're always looking for well-documented cars. This is one of them. Texas car originally. This is a 3-owner car. The previous owner purchased it in 2020 and has upgraded her tremendously to what she is today. Brand new BFGs, the only tire for muscle cars. Blue vinyl knit interior. This driver's seat was recently refoamed and reupholstered. So you'll notice aftermarket shoulder harnesses here. Also a Pro Tack on the column. So it's having a hard time getting the dash tack to function, so we added the there. And then also you'll see the retro sound radio in front of the shifter. The clock does function. So it has a 3-speed automatic, air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes, ram air hood. Actually, no further ado, I'm not sure which I like more, the 6970 shaker or the NASA ram air hood on this style. So functional ram air, a lot of times people just add the hood and forget everything else, but you'll see air conditioning compressor there, upgraded aluminum radiator. So this engine, and I don't know if you can see, we've got Edelbrock intake, but also Edelbrock aluminum heads. Now this is originally a 2-barrel engine. It is the original engine for the car, but it has recently been gone through less than 1,000 miles on this engine. And boy does she run. Better yet, Sniper Holly EFI. We'll fire it up here in just a moment. Speakers in the back package tray, no harm, no foul, not factory, but we like it. So in here we'll see a car cover, the new passenger seat cover, if you'd like to add that. Another distributor inside rear view mirror, but finished extremely well. Let's see. So No rust in this car. All original sheet metal from our inspection. Bumper guards. This honeycomb Mach 1 panel in the back. Beautifully straight body. In 2003, this had a refresh on the paint. It might be one of the reasons it still looks so exceptionally nice. There is a crack in the console right here. Aftermarket cup holders. You can hear the clock tick tick there. Definitely one of the most comfortable interiors offered for Mustangs. Shut that all the way. Do that again. So let's say we listen to her roar. The sniper coil. So with these EFI equipped cars, key in and on. Here's the fuel pump. Don't touch the fuel, the gas the gas pedal. Every time. Every time. Down. Nice cold air conditioning. Turn that off, no need. The horn does not work. If you've had one of these Grant wheels in the past, you'll know why. Up so fast. Long tube headers, that's one of the other reasons it's got that wonderful sound. So let's do this. Shut her down. Go for a ride. My 18th year of cars here with Autoworld of Conway. This is our main dealership. We have a Classics and Specialty lot where this car will make its way today. Always busy out here. Give you an idea. horsepower, 3,000 RPMs. Make a right here. Take it easy. So thank you for joining me here at Autoworld of Conway, 1973 Mach 1. Now, let's go take a look at some of the provenance that accompanies this car. So here we are with some of the provenance for this 1973 Mustang. And so in these papers you'll find the rebuild information for the engine. Here is 3 of 22, $5,600 worth of work there. And this shows the rear end being rebuilt, the transmission being rebuilt, as well as the engine. Here's on the transmission. Okay, Mobile, Alabama. Mr. Clark, that's where we purchased this car. So it still has a warranty. No, excuse me, just passed. So some of the things that I really wanted to make sure that you're aware of. One, the original build sheet that came with the car. We also have some of the original purchase documentation as well as the payment book. As you can see here, Mr. Darius Cecil in December 1972. Colorado Springs, Colorado. And here, Mr. Cecil owned this car until '03, where he resided in Texas, but he had requested from Ford the breakdown of the options that came with his car when he ordered it. So there they are. So not to bore you, original owner's manual, the payment book, which I thought was pretty neat. Let's see, $157 per month. Let's see, I think it's right here. $157 per month. It's pretty amazing. And there's 75 where he made his last payment. Again, service records ad nauseum, since new for this car, and owner number 2 here, and owner number 3 a little bit in this one binder. This other is just marketing material and specifications. So again, rock solid 1973 Mach 1 Mustang here at Autoworld of Conway. Good cars for good people.